Hi fans of ExiArts and of course fans of nature and wild adventures. Today I show you first footage of the so-called Orpheus Rocks that are located around some of the lakes, the so-called Smolyan Lakes, originally believed to be like 7 lakes, like the 7 Lila lakes, but actually even I don't know how many are these lakes. Probably about, maybe might be 10 around Smolyan. Anyway, these lakes are usually made from erosion kind of falling down of some land mass, which then makes a kind of a wall on a ravine, where after that behind this wall kind of a dam, and the lakes form, but these are formed naturally. That's why they are lakes and not made by humans, and they are not dams. And the spectacular, amazing, incredibly, unbelievably so beautiful rocks of the Smolyan Orpheus Rocks, which this year I plan to examine like I have never examined before. I will be extremely careful because I plan to climb some cliffs from those, some rocky cliffs and single kind of teeth or tooth, like like needles, or like for example what you see here, this edge, the top edge, I want to walk on it. I will start from the beginning and climb, and these needles I speak about are over here now. In the distance you see these kind of spiky rocks with a lot of different smaller and bigger kind of spike rocks coming out to towards the sky. It's always amazed me, and of course this summer this one of the expeditions will be on this part of the rocks in the distance that you see now. So here basically two expeditions I'm planning. The first one on that edge I told you, and here of course I might decide a different spot, some third spot from this location. Actually, yes, remember the part of the landmass that had fallen, because exactly this rock now you see on the screen, this is has formed like 15 to 20,000 years ago, or 12 to 15 to 10,000 years ago, geologists say, something like that, Anyway, and just part of the mountain dropped down, and it broke out of the bigger part of the mountain, and it dropped down and slided down, as you can see now how it had slided down. So this is how all of these rocks around mountains have been formed, because the Rhodope Mountain is growing with 2 centimeters average per year, which means for 100 years it grows with 2 meters. That's a lot for 100 years. 2 centimeters per year by 100 makes 200 centimeters, which is 2 meters, right? And it's kind of a lot. Anyway, here I already draw the drone down I landed. I'm sorry, folks. I'm still sleeping. And here, me and my friend Daniel were